Where the river meets the edge of stone, time carves stories into ancient bone. Lay it raw, both soft and strong. Erode it slowly, singing nature's song.
Escapes the weight of stone. The plunge pool waits, the echoes call. A sacred rhythm in the waterfall. Let the water fall, let the silence break. Let the earth remember every shape it takes. From mountain cries to ocean's deep embrace, the waterfall moves with power, with grace.
Niagara roars, Victoria weeps, blood falls hides where silence sleeps, guiding birds and shaping land, a force unseen yet always grand.
17 forms, each one a tale of shit steam breaks and stormy veil. Even under sea, they rise and fall, where salt and shadows start to crawl. Let the water fall, let the moment stay. Let the world be washed in nature's way. From ancient depths to skies above, the waterfall speaks of time, of
And as the river climbs its past, carving futures that forever last, we stand